Hello guys, my name is Abraham. I'm here to teach you how to speak Bisaya or Cebuano. And I was born and raised in the Philippines. If you want to learn about these languages and dialects, I'm here for you. And I can speak pretty well. So promise you, in this short period of time, you will learn a lot from me. And sa Pilipinas ko nidako o kabalo ko magbinisaya. Mao nga kung sa ako mo dool matudluan ta mo og kung unsaon pagstorya og maayo nga binisaya in a local way, particularly Bisaya and Cebuano. That's all, and have a good day. Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan, o hinaot nga makauyon mo sa kuha.